Nusa Dua is one of Bali's most beautiful and tranquil regions. Nestled across the pristine coastline right here, we can find our new development, Kiara Beachfront, on this location. Kiara Beachfront's coveted beachfront location places you just steps away from the powder-soft sands and the crystal-clear waters of Nusa Dua's beaches. The glistening ocean becomes an extension of your backyard, inviting you to indulge in the ultimate seaside lifestyle. Just footsteps away from the white sands, we'll be having our beautiful infinity pool allocated in this location right here. Just behind it, we'll have our beachfront restaurant, as well as our spectacular beach deluxe units just on top of it. As we move from the beach, we'll find this beautiful ocean courtyard apartments right here. As we get closer to the entrance, we'll find our garden courtyard apartments with a pool area. Our gym will be allocated on this location here, followed by the business center, as well as our grocer and cafe just right here. So we're on our way back now to the office using the highway, which in fact can take you directly from Kiara Beachfront all the way to Bali's International Airport in just 50 minutes.